In the world of hip-hop, only one man has worked with Eminem, Snoop Dogg, Wiz Khalifa, Ice Cube, Too Short, and served as the mayor of Detroit City. It's none other than the motherfucking hip-hop triple OG, Trick Trick. So join us as he separates the weak from the obsolete, deciding what's fly and what's no fly on Trick Trick in the Fly Zone.
Oh boy. I mean, you know, this mesh, it's gonna get dirty fast. I mean, but if you're just gonna hold it, I say go. No, I don't like this orange shit though. And the word air look kind of cheap.
So these retailed at $190, they sold for $800.
They sold for $800?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody loves some wild shit.
The orange doesn't bother me as much as this black writing.
No, do that go on the shoe?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no, dude.
Like, I thought it was an accident.
No fly. Fly the fuck out of here. I mean, I expected more out of Jordan, you know. Fly.
Classic.
100% OG, triple OG approved. Yeah, this motherfucker hard. That way. Fly.
And my
fly
cushions
right
my
into my closet. Some boat dock cedar points. Some Yermites, you dig?
What color is this?
Butter is the colorway.
I mean, you know.
Butter. Like popcorn butter.
They look like cake. They look comfortable. That's why I call them cedar points. You can walk around the whole amusement park. Yeah, these flying like a motherfucker. Yeah, hell yeah. 280? Yeah. You got me a pair of them motherfuckers over there, dog.
She threw a shoe at her at the damn fashion show.
Stop playing. Man, I really don't think them two should be fighting. Like when you talk about female rap, it's almost like, I ain't dissing, I'm just saying, it's almost like it's extinct. Not taking nothing away from their talent, because they both dope as shit. And I fucking love Cardi B. The whole thing no fly. Well, see, I don't even meet no more. Yeah, when I did, then bam, right there, Sweetwater way. Sweetwater way. Fly. The wings. My wife will like them, so they fly.
Could you pull them up?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Never negative. No, no. I'm too man.
This a man shoe?
These motherfuckers hard. They only get wore on stage, and when I say on stage, that means when I come off stage, stop at the steps, take these bitches off, and put them in a box. Then don't pull them out until I'm standing at the stairs at the next stage. Because one wrong move is over. I need my stage mopped before I come on. Twice. I fuck with that. That's super fly. Hey, it's fucking undeniable. Come on, now that's real Detroit. You can't play games with that shit. That's Detroit shit. We had the pleasure of performing on the same ticket stage with these brothers. I ain't never seen a 3-liter pop bottle hit the ceiling of a Masonic temple.
I saw somebody take a 3-liter bottle to the face.
If you in the audience, you got wet. It was cold than a motherfucker outside.
But see, that's how they kill it with the merchandising, because after the concert, all that concession's still going because people need dry clothes to go outside.
So gangster.
Hustle.
Entry denied. Entry granted.